Yes mga ka-well, so today's video is I will show you uh, how to put the repair kit of this wheel cylinder. This is used for our brake system. So this is the wheel cylinder assembly, and just like that. Okay, so now I will show you step by step process to assemble this. So first, we need to check our repair kits. So here there is our repair kits. Rubber cap, we call this rubber cap, and cap cover. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Okay. And then also we have a cover for our nipple bleeder. This is the bleeder. Okay, just like that. So after we this nipple cap bleeder, we will put this after we already done bleeding and also already test our brake system. So for the purpose to protect our nipple bleeder from contamination of dirt and any that can be clogged to our system. Okay, so now this is the step-by-step process on how to assemble our wheel cylinder on our brake system. So first, after you clean all the parts, you need to secure that all is good and touched by your hand, because if something is sharp or rough, it may be damage your new repair kit. So that's why we need to touch first, since of touching. So if you think that this goes to smooth, so we don't have any problem with that. Now also we need to put some lubrication or any grease or oil, so that when we put our new repair kit, the rubber will not damage. Okay, and also this is very important. So in our positioning, we need to position like this, because the pressure of the brake fluid must be here inside, because it will, if the pressure is this inside, it will expand the lips and it will hold the oil. So that's why we need to position like this, not like that, because if you position like that, there is no holding pressure on that. Okay, so after we put some lubrication, this is for only to protect our rubber not tearing, put like that. Okay, and next is our piston. We need also put some lubrication. Just like that. And next, our spring. This is very important also, that we don't need this is important, because if you forget this to install, there are no brake return for your brake cap. So we need this spring, and then put this cap like that. So how important is the lubrication is for protecting your rubber, because sometimes if there is a hard or rough, it may be there, or maybe in the during our testing could be lead to another problem, disalignment of the rubber cap. It can cause our trouble a lot. So just like that. Okay, so you need to figure you need to test if they are playing, just like that, because this is the most important to test the play. If there is no play, it means there is a lock up. Then if you install like that, there are no play. When we install, maybe our brake will we will experiencing a brake dragging, just like that. So that's why we need to play pairs, just like that. So this is the important of our lubrication, and also to protect our piston. This because our piston is only aluminum or alloy, and our cylinder is metal. So if you don't put any lubrication, it may be damage your piston. So much better if you put lubrication. And now this is the final. Okay. Also this. So we're almost done. So it's very simple. Any of if you want to learn more, just follow my page, just subscribe my channel, and hit the notification bell for more tip and tricks videos. Okay, so this is how to repair our wheel cylinder or brake cylinder. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.